Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto Z3 Play, and today I'll show you how to change the language of the device. So if your device is right now in a language that, for instance, you don't understand, I will show and basically say how to access it. So if, for instance, when I'm going to be saying to access settings, you can navigate there by looking at the icon. So setting is this gear icon, so you can tap on it. From there, scroll all the way down to system, which is second last option, the one with an circle and an eye inside of it for information. And then in here, we're looking for a language and input, which is the globe icon, second option right here. And at the top, you have languages, which is, well, basically indicated by this like couple different alphabets. So you have the normal one and some Chinese, or I'm not really sure. So once you tap on it, you'll have at the top with the number 1 the default language right now that is set to, and then plus at the bottom to add a language. So you want to tap on add a language and choose basically the language that you want to use from the list right here, and just tap on one. Let's choose Greek and typical one, I guess, and then you scroll it up, automatically changes, and you're now in the settings, not in the settings, but the language has been changed. And that is basically all system-wide. You don't have to reboot. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.